No, Ruby, I didn't take no plate, Ruby. Ruby, you there? Ruby.
Hey, Treese, yeah. I seen them all of them down there in that kitchen, Treese. They was all down there in that kitchen. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, Treese.
Well, Ruby, they were just being, hospitable,
Well, for one,
fellowshipping.
Treese, it's just too many people up in there in the kitchen. Ain't nobody. It wasn't even nobody directing the members of the church which way to go. Tell them, and how they didn't even wash their hands, Treese.
Well, Ruby, they have some sanitizer.
Okay.
All
When
right.
I be hosting the meals and things, when it's my turn, and when we're doing the first dinner of the month, I make sure that we have everything we need.
Yes,
down
Ruby.
there, and then on top of that, I couldn't eat it. I can't eat everybody cooking, trees.
Ruby?
You just know I can't eat everybody cooking.
Ruby,
I don't know what they did at home.
Ruby, I know you
trees,
can't, Ruby.
If they don't was braiding hair in the kitchen.
Yes,
I
Ruby.
just can't eat everybody cooking.
Well, Ruby, I know you can, Ruby, but you like Marguerite corn pudding. You should have got some of that.
I love Marguerite's corn pudding. I love Marguerite corn pudding.
Well, Ruby, you should have took some of the home, Ruby.
I just couldn't eat it, Trees.
Well,
I
Ruby.
could not eat it, and I was in the presence of my enemies, Trees.
Well, Ruby, the Lord said he will prepare a table before you.
Well, Trees, they say too many cooks spoil the stew, and I just don't know what that stew